Hello everyone and welcome back to Practice Guides. My name is Ozzy and for today's video I'm going to be exhibiting Hidden Valley Wildlife Area. First, Hidden Valley Wilderness Area and trail address is 11401 Arlington Avenue, Riverside, California 92509. It's open Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Phone number 951-785-7452. Details: natural area featuring walking and riding trails, plus picnic area, bear walks, and seasonal events. Next, about Hidden Valley. Hidden Valley Wildlife Area is located along the Santa Ana River, east of Norco at 11401 Arlington Avenue, 1 mile west of La Sierra Avenue in Riverside, California. It is set on 1,500 scenic acres and has access to 25 miles of hiking and excursion trails. Bicyclists also have the opportunity ride along the 8-mile stretch of the Santa Ana River Trail that links the San Bernardino Mountains to the Pacific Ocean. Visitors can get away from the noise, lights of the city and enjoy the beautiful views of the river or the bluff overlooking the wetland ponds set aside for migratory birds. Picnic areas and a self-guided nature trail await visitors along with various seasonal events and a nature education outreach programs. Furthermore, the Hidden Valley Nature Center overlooks the Santa Ana River watershed and offers hands-on experiences with live animals, snakes, reptiles. A short hike to the educational pond offers viewing of migratory bird species, flora and fauna, and aquatic life. Finally, hey people or viewers, I hope you found this content helpful. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. May Yahusha give prosperity and peace to you and your family. And Tururu.